BAs act as the bridge between the business world with its goals and strategies and the technical world where those goals are translated into reality. So let's explore why both business fluency and technical awareness are absolutely crucial for BA success. What I'm talking about here is that BA that can talk strategy, goals, and business jargon with the best of them, but they struggle to understand and grasp technical concepts. Why is this a problem? Well, they might miss crucial technical details when translating business needs, which is going to lead to frustrated developers who have to decipher unclear requirements. This can cause delays, rework, and ultimately a product that doesn't meet the business needs. What is the fix? Well, to be successful, BAs need both business fluency and technical awareness. I'm Sheila Hammond, and I've been doing the BAPO thing for over 25 years, and I'd like to give you 3 methods to help you fix this pitfall. First, you need business fluency. Understand the company's goals, processes, and the stakeholder needs. This lets you accurately capture what the business wants. Secondly, don't be afraid to geek out a little or a lot. Gain a basic understanding of technologies that are relevant to your projects. This doesn't mean that you have to become a programmer, but learn enough to grasp the core concepts and communicate effectively with your developers. In my experience, developers love doing a little bit of teaching about their tech because in the long run, it benefits them in your requirements. So don't be afraid to reach out and build those relationships. Finally, as always, communication is key. As a business analyst, you need to be able to bridge the gap and translate those business needs into clear technical requirements and explain technical concepts in business friendly terms. Back and forth. It's a bridge, people. It's a bridge. This ensures everyone is on the same page. By developing both business acumen and technical awareness, you'll become a powerful bridge between business and technology. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite ways are to build your technical knowledge as a BA. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this resonates with you to get more BA tips and tricks. That's all I have for you today. Lazy BA out.